Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 17th April 2024. In this video, let us identify the stocks near demand and supply zones for all the time frames. We will also identify daily and 75 minutes high liquidity zones, and also we will generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. I kept all the videos in a playlist supply demand zone price action course. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. If you click the link, you will get into this page and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let us generate reports with the help of NeoStock software, supply demand zone, top-down analysis strategy builder. So I am generating the reports starting from quarterly time frame, because yearly and half yearly there are no stocks are available near demand and supply zones. So I am changing the time frame to quarterly. Let us find the stocks near quarterly demand zone. So these two stocks are filtered which are near to the quarterly demand zone. I will be giving you only few seconds time to watch the report, and then I will move on to the next report. So you need to pause the video and then you need to study all the columns for each of these stocks. And if required, you can also draw the zones in charts by using the column leg in, base and leg out. If you are not aware of all these report columns and their abbreviations, I clearly explained each and everything in detail in lesson 21.1. That is part 1 of lesson 21. So please go through the complete video, then you will be able to understand the entire structure of this report. So let me go back. For quarterly time frame, let us find the stocks near quarterly supply zone. So one stock is filtered, which is near to the quarterly supply zone. So let me go back. I'm changing the time frame to monthly. Let us find the stocks near monthly demand zone. So these 5 stocks are filtered, which are near to the monthly demand zone. So let me go back. For monthly time frame, let us find the stocks near monthly supply zone. 3 stocks are filtered, which are near to the monthly supply zone. So I'm going back, changing the time frame to weekly. Let us find the stocks near weekly demand zone. So these 11 stocks are filtered, which are near to the weekly demand zone. I'm going back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. So these 8 stocks are near weekly supply zone. So I'm going back, changing the time frame to daily. Entry time frame is daily. Let us find the stocks near daily demand zone. So these 6 stocks are filtered, which are near to the daily demand zone. Now let us identify the daily high liquidity zones, high liquidity demand zones from this list. Navin Fluorine is a daily high liquidity demand zone. It is a fresh zone. So you need to fine tune this zone from daily time frame 75 minutes, from 75 minutes to 15 minutes, from 15 minutes to 5 minutes. So you need to fine tune the zone. How to fine tune the zone? I already explained in lesson 16 clearly. So if you can find a fresh fine tuned 5 minute zone, this is a valid zone. Otherwise the zone will be violated. Anything else? No. This is the only one high liquidity daily demand zone from this list. So let's go back. For daily time frame, let us find the stocks near daily supply zone. So 9 stocks are filtered. And let us identify high liquidity supply zones from this list. The first one, Nifty FMCG, is indices. Let us leave that. We have Conquer. This is a high liquidity zone, already tested once. And the next one is HAL, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited. This is a fresh zone. You need to fine tune the zone and you need to check the quality of this zone. And we have one more, Indus Tower. So this is already tested 3 times. That means 3 rejections from this zone. So you need to fine tune this zone to check the fresh 5 minute zone. Anything else? That's it. We have identified 3 high liquidity daily supply zones from this list. So let me go back. Changing the time frame to 125 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 125 minutes demand zone. So these 12 stocks are filtered which are near to the 125 minutes demand zone. So let me go back. For 125 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 125 minutes supply zone. So this is the filtered list. Let me scroll down. So total 22 stocks are filtered which are near to the 125 minute supply zone. So let me go back. Changing the time frame to 75 minutes. So entry time frame is 75 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 75 minutes demand zone. So 11 stocks are filtered. Let us identify high liquidity 75 minutes demand zones from this list. We can't consider this is a pierced zone, not valid zone. This is also a pierced zone, so we cannot consider even this one. The next one, this is a valid zone. HCL Technologies. So HCL Tech is already tested once, so you need to fine tune the zone and you need to identify a fresh fine tuned 5 minute zone. Anything else? There is one more, PEL. PEL is a daily high liquidity 75 minutes demand zone, already tested 2 times. And 3 rejections. So you need to fine tune this zone. And if you can find a fine tuned 5 minute zone, you can plan a trade. Next one is, this is a pierced zone, you cannot plan. That means we have identified total how many? 2 or 3? We have HCL Tech and PEL. We have identified 2 75 minutes high liquidity demand zones from this list. So let me go back. For 75 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 75 minutes supply zone. So 11 stocks are filtered. And let us find high liquidity 75 minute supply zones from this list. So this is the high liquidity supply zone, ABB. This is a fresh zone. You need to fine tune and you need to check the quality of the zone. And if you can find a fresh fine tuned 5-minute zone, you can plan a trade. Next one is Coal India is already tested 2 times and 5 rejections from this zone. So that means you need to look for a fresh fine tuned 5-minute zone inside this. Otherwise zone will be violated. You have one more IDFC, already tested 4 times. So you need to look for a fresh fine tuned 5-minute zone inside this. Anything else? Yeah, you have one more here, State Bank of India. This is a fresh zone. So check the quality of the zone. If you can find a fresh fine tuned 5-minute zone, you can plan a trade. So total 4 high liquidity 75-minute supply zones we identified from this list. Okay, now let's go back. I'm changing the time frame to 25 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 25 minutes demand zone. So these 4 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. For 25 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 25 minutes supply zone. So these 10 stocks are filtered. I'm going back. Changing the time frame to 15 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 15 minutes demand zone. These 5 stocks are filtered. I'm going back. For 15 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 15 minutes supply zone. So these 10 stocks are filtered, which are near to the 15 minutes supply zone. I'm going back, changing the time frame to 5 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 5 minutes demand zone. So these are the 7 filtered stocks. Let me go back. For 5 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes supply zone. So these 12 stocks are filtered. So these are the stocks near demand and supply zones for all the time frames. And also we identified a daily and a 75 minutes high liquidity demand and supply zones. Now let us generate the final report, stop buffers based on daily ATR. So these are the stop buffers. This is the daily ATR, this column, and 15% ATR is for daily time frame, 10% ATR is for 125 or 75 minutes time frame, 5% ATR is for 25 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, and this 3% ATR can be used for 5 minutes time frame. And the first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices. Remaining all are equity stocks picked up from F&O segment. So I keep on scrolling this list down by giving you few seconds. So you need to pause the video and you can refer your stocks. So I'm scrolling down. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information is useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.